So what are the most important missing or problematic issues around missing children? The one and obviously mentioned thing, not only in connection of missing children, but in many other related social fields, is the lack of reliable and consistent data. And the data is not comparable because of the definitions and categories used are not consistent. Also, there are no clear protocols and clear cooperation rules among those who should work together, and there is no follow-up or proper documentation of the information on missing children. There are also issues concerning the reporting. Reporting is not well coordinated either. Authorities and other relevant stakeholders are often not communicating with each other, or they are not sharing information, or the information is simply missing. So once the report is missing, obviously the follow-up steps are also not taken. But even if the reports are taken, oftentimes there is no follow-up and no outcome measurement. So we don't know what has happened to the children. We cannot learn from the experiences either. Also, this is not only true within the countries, but also over the border. So the over-the-border international cooperation and coordination, multi-agency response is also very weak, so this should be strengthened. So what are the recommendations of missing children in Europe? First and foremost, as always, we would love to have much more reliable data. So the data collection and the quality of data should be improved. Also, we should know much more about the trafficked and exploited children, because this is the weakest point of the data collection. Also, we should harmonize the used terminology, the definitions, and having a unified European database. Of course, in an optimum situation, it would be worldwide and not only covering Europe. We should also strengthen and ensure the sustainability of the 116000 missing children's hotline to support the children and parents and all those who need information from the hotline.